Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Destination. In this video, I am sharing the recipe of methi rice bath. Rice bath using the methi leaves. This can be prepared very easily for lunch box or even for dinner. And for this, I have taken a bunch of methi leaves. Around 3 tomatoes, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, handful of pudina leaves, 2 sliced onions, 3 green chilies, I have taken 1 cup of dry green peas. This is soaked overnight for around 8 hours. You can use the fresh green peas if it is available, and I have taken the whole garam masala spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaves. Heat up the cooker or a handi. Add 6 spoons oil, two spoons ghee, when the oil is heated up, add 1 spoon mustard seeds, half spoon cumin seeds, add the whole garam masala spices, now add the 2 onions sliced. Fry the onions till they turn brown. Now add all this into a mixer jar. Green chilies, pudina leaves, coriander leaves and tomatoes, and blend it into a paste. Add 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, now add the paste of tomatoes, pudina leaves, green chilies, coriander and fry it until the raw smell goes. Fry this until all the water in the masala evaporates and the oil starts separating. Now add washed methi leaves, after adding the methi leaves, it is very important to fry this in the oil. Frying the methi leaves in the oil removes its bitterness and releases a very good flavor. Add half spoon turmeric powder. Add 2 spoons coriander powder. Fry this until the oil starts separating. Add the soaked green peas. Add 4 glasses of water. As I have taken here 2 glasses of rice, I have added 4 glasses of water. Give it a good mix and let the water boil. Now add the washed rice. Juice of half lemon. 2 spoons curd. Add salt as per the taste. Close the lid and cook it for 2 whistles. And the methi rice bath is ready to be served. This is a very easy rice recipe which can be prepared for lunch or for dinner. Hope you like this recipe. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.